Welcome back to Created Gadgets. From the packaging you can already tell, today we're unboxing another Temu find. These are the JBL PS3500 multimedia speakers. Take note of this label. We'll circle back to it later. The speakers take 5 volts at 0.5 amps from the USB. That's 2.5 watts total. With a typical Class D amplifier, you only get about 75% efficiency. So you're left with roughly 1.9 watts usable. Split into 2 channels, that's under 1 watt per speaker. As for sound, the frequency response bottoms out around 100 Hz. That gives you some punch, but don't expect deep bass. Are these real JBL speakers? Yes, but they're only sold in China, not as part of JBL's international lineup. That's why you won't find them on JBL's global.com site, but they do show up on JBL's official Chinese website. So would I recommend these speakers? If you want an affordable pair of desktop multimedia speakers, they do the job. But if you're after true bookshelf quality or rich bass, I'd save your money and step up to something bigger.